Hi everyone, this is Selina. Welcome back to one of my videos. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Selina and I release crochet patterns and tutorials. And today I'm bringing to you this beautiful summer ruffle scrunchie. I love it. It's so pretty, it's so feminine. And as usual, the free pattern is available on my blog, selinaveronique.com. The link will be in the description box. And so for this project, I used this yarn, which is Scheepjes Chunky Monkey yarn. It's a chunky yarn, and this is color Blush. It's 100 grams. So you will also be needing a 5mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors and a tapestry needle, and a very simple elastic band, as you can see. And I will be speaking in US terms with British terms in brackets. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Okay, so to begin this tutorial, take your scrunchie and attach your yarn around it like so. Let's make a double knot just for extra safety. There we go. And now what we are going to be doing is taking our crochet hook and we are going to be chaining. So just go ahead and chain 3. So 1, 2 and 3, and this counts as our first double crochet. Now just go ahead and place a double crochet onto the scrunchie. So wrap your yarn around your hook, go all the way around, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Take your yarn and pull through 2 loops, and take your yarn and pull through 2 loops once again. And now place double crochets all the way around. Okay, so pop some double crochets all the way around this elastic band, and you can even push them up a bit if you wish. And yes, I'll be writing in the pattern how many double crochets I have in total if you're curious, but it's not really that important. So just go ahead and do this, and then I'll show you what to do next. So now I've gone all the way around, as you can see, so I'm really pleased with this. Now I'm simply going to be slip stitching to this first chain 3 that we did, like so. And now for round 2, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and this counts of course as our first double crochet. And now you will be placing 2 more double crochets within this stitch. So just go ahead and place 1 and 2 more, and that creates 3 double crochets together in one stitch. Now go ahead and place 3 double crochets into the next stitch. So 2 and 3, and this is going to be what will create our ruffles. Now go into the next stitch with 3 double crochet, so 1, 2 and 3, and once again go back into the next stitch with 3 double crochets, 2 and 3, and just carry this on until you reach where we began, and I'll show you what to do then. Okay, so as you can see, I've gone all the way around, and I'm simply going to be slip stitching at the top of our first chain 3. Snip off your yarn and pull through, and the only thing left to do is to tidy up this loose end. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I love it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. That really helps me out. And don't forget to check out my other tutorials on scrunchies, and let me know in the comments what more tutorials you would like to see on my channel. And in the meantime, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.